Deep within the dense rainforests of Central Africa, a silent guardian roams. This guardian is not a mythical creature, but a living, breathing giant that plays a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of its environment. The African forest elephant, smaller and more elusive than its savanna cousin, is a vital thread in the tapestry of life. Unlike the more commonly known savanna elephants, these forest dwellers are adapted to life in the thick, humid jungles. Their smaller size allows them to navigate the dense undergrowth with ease, making them perfectly suited to their environment. These gentle giants shape the forest with their every move. As they travel through the jungle, they trample vegetation, creating pathways that other animals use. Their movements help to open up the forest canopy, allowing sunlight to reach the forest floor and promoting the growth of a diverse range of plant species. They are the gardeners of this realm, planting the seeds for future generations. By consuming a variety of fruits and plants, they disperse seeds far and wide through their dung. This natural process of seed dispersal is essential for the regeneration of the forest, ensuring that new plants can grow and thrive. Their survival is intimately intertwined with the health of the entire ecosystem. Without these elephants, the forest would lose its diversity and vitality. The intricate web of life that depends on the forest would be disrupted, leading to a cascade of negative effects on countless species. These elephants are not easily observed. Their elusive nature makes them a mystery to many, blending seamlessly into their surroundings. Their dark, rough skin camouflages them against the backdrop of the forest, making sightings rare and precious. They melt into the shadows, their paths hidden by the lush vegetation. Moving silently through the underbrush, they leave behind only subtle signs of their presence. Broken branches, trampled plants, and the occasional footprint are the only clues that these magnificent creatures have passed through. Yet their presence is felt everywhere, in the clearings they create, the paths they forge, and the seeds they sow. These clearings become vital habitats for other species, providing open spaces for plants to grow and animals to forage. The paths they create become highways for other forest inhabitants, facilitating movement and interaction within the ecosystem. Join me as we journey into the heart of the rainforest to uncover the secrets of these remarkable creatures. Together, we will explore the hidden world of the African forest elephant, learning about their behaviors, their role in the ecosystem, and the challenges they face in a rapidly changing world. This journey will not only reveal the wonders of these silent guardians, but also highlight the importance of preserving their habitat for future generations. The African forest elephant is uniquely adapted to its environment. These majestic creatures have evolved over millennia to thrive in the dense, humid jungles of Central and West Africa. Unlike their savanna counterparts, they have developed specific traits that allow them to navigate and survive in this challenging habitat. Smaller than the savanna elephant, it navigates the dense undergrowth with surprising agility. Their smaller size is an advantage, enabling them to move through narrow paths and thick vegetation with ease. This agility is crucial for finding food and avoiding potential threats in the jungle. Its rounded ears and straight, downward-pointing tusks are perfectly suited for maneuvering through tangled vegetation. The rounded ears help in dissipating heat, while the tusks are used not only for defense, but also for foraging, stripping bark from trees and digging for roots. Their darker skin provides camouflage in the dappled light of the forest floor. This natural camouflage helps them blend into their surroundings, making it harder for predators to spot them. The dappled light filtering through the canopy creates a mosaic of shadows, further aiding their concealment. Their diet consists of a variety of leaves, fruits, and bark. They are known to consume over 100 different plant species, making them essential for maintaining the ecological balance of the forest. Their feeding habits help in pruning vegetation, which promotes new growth. They are particularly fond of fruit and play a crucial role in dispersing seeds across vast distances. By consuming fruits and excreting the seeds in different locations, they facilitate the growth of new plants, contributing to the forest's regeneration and biodiversity. Their dung provides vital nutrients to the forest floor, fertilizing the soil and supporting a web of life. The nutrients in their dung enrich the soil, promoting the growth of plants and trees, which in turn support a myriad of other species. This cycle of life underscores the importance of the African forest elephant in its ecosystem. Forest elephants are true ecosystem engineers. These magnificent creatures play a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of their environment. Their presence and activities have far-reaching impacts on the forest ecosystem. Their movements create clearings in the dense undergrowth, allowing sunlight to reach the forest floor. This sunlight is essential for the growth of various plant species that otherwise wouldn't thrive in the shaded forest. These clearings provide vital habitat for a wide range of plant and animal species. Birds, insects and small mammals find these open spaces ideal for nesting and foraging. The diversity of life in these clearings is a testament to the elephant's role in fostering biodiversity. Their browsing habits help to shape the structure of the forest. By feeding on tree branches and leaves, they prevent any single species from dominating the landscape, promoting a balanced and diverse ecosystem. They create pathways through the dense vegetation, acting as natural corridors for other animals. These trails are used by a variety of species, from small mammals to larger predators, facilitating movement and access to different parts of the forest. Their dung, rich in nutrients and seeds, is a vital source of food and fertilizer for countless species. The seeds in their dung help in the dispersal of plants, ensuring the regeneration and spread of various flora throughout the forest. The African forest elephant is a keystone species, its presence essential for the health and biodiversity of the rainforest. Without them, the forest would lose its intricate balance, leading to a decline in the richness of life that depends on this unique ecosystem. Their role as architects of the forest cannot be overstated, as they continue to shape and sustain the vibrant world around them. The African forest elephant is facing a crisis. Once widespread throughout the rainforests of Central Africa, their numbers have plummeted in recent decades. Habitat loss, driven by deforestation for agriculture, logging and mining, is pushing them into ever smaller fragments of forest. Poaching for ivory remains a significant threat, pushing them closer to the brink. The illegal wildlife trade continues to fuel demand for their tusks, jeopardizing the future of this magnificent species. The time to act is now. Section 5. Whispers in the forest. African forest elephants are highly social animals. They live in close-knit family groups led by an experienced matriarch. Communication is key to their survival in the dense forest undergrowth. They use a combination of low-frequency rumbles, trumpets and infrasound calls to stay in contact with each other. These low-frequency sounds can travel for miles through the dense vegetation. They use these calls to coordinate movements, warn each other of danger and maintain social bonds. The forest is alive with their whispers, a testament to their complex social structure. Section 6. The matriarch's wisdom. The matriarch is the heart and soul of the elephant family. She is the oldest and most experienced female, responsible for guiding and protecting her family group. Her knowledge of the forest, passed down through generations, is essential for their survival. She remembers the location of water sources, mineral licks, and the best feeding grounds. She teaches her offspring how to navigate the forest, find food, and avoid danger. The bond between a matriarch and her family is unbreakable, a testament to the power of family in the animal kingdom. Section 7. Threats to survival. The African forest elephant faces a multitude of threats. Habitat loss is perhaps the most pressing. As rainforests are cleared for agriculture, logging and mining, elephants are losing their homes and sources of food. Fragmentation of their habitat isolates populations, making them more vulnerable to disease and genetic decline. Poaching for ivory remains a significant threat, driven by the illegal wildlife trade. Although international trade in ivory is banned, demand persists in some parts of the world. The fight to protect these gentle giants is far from over. Section 8. A call for action. The future of the African forest elephant hangs in the balance, but there is still hope. By raising awareness about their plight, supporting conservation organizations working to protect them, and advocating for stronger anti-poaching measures, we can make a difference. We can all play a role in ensuring that these magnificent creatures have a future. Choose sustainable products that do not contribute to deforestation. Support organizations involved in anti-poaching efforts and habitat conservation. Educate yourself and others about the importance of elephant conservation. Section 9. Our shared responsibility. The African forest elephant is not just an animal, it is a symbol of the wild heart of Africa. Its survival is intertwined with the health of the entire rainforest ecosystem. Protecting these gentle giants is not just about saving a species, it is about preserving the delicate balance of nature for generations to come. Let us all be stewards of this planet and its incredible biodiversity. The time to act is now, before the whispers of the forest fall silent forever.